staycation house. You want to see it? So I'll give you a look. So this is where my mom and dad sleep. Nice bedroom. And I'll show you the kids' room. This is where Bravery, Cruz, and Ryder sleep. Let's go find them. Amazing. Are you making a video? Oh, hi. It's a vlog. Say hi, Brave. This is a vlog. Say hi. That's Bravery. Bravery, Cruz, and Ryder. Oh, that peace. Peace. Oh. Peace. Yeah. Peace. Okay, we're gonna continue to back touring. There being a little combination, but good thing the girls got nail polish. So we are in a staycation house, and it's quite fun because we're watching a show, a mermaid show, which I love mermaids and unicorns. There was supposed to be a unicorn floaty out there, but no way, Jose. We're about to head to Fountain Hills.
Hey guys, I am here at Fountain Hills. If you guys don't know what Fountain Hills is, that's okay. It has this amazing fountain. Happy 4th of July. We are here with family, my sister. Say hi, Jessica. My niece and my nephews and my brother-in-law and Cameron and Cadence are here. I just wanted to make a little video just saying hi, sharing a little bit about who I am. You guys are probably like, who is this girl? This random girl just like posting videos randomly on YouTube. And I just wanted to kind of give you a day, not a day in the life of me, but just kind of a little bit more of me. More of like a vlog style. My husband and I vlog. We've vlogged for years. We have a vlogging channel called Cam and Dani. Hi, this is Cadence. You guys, family is like one of the most important things to us. We're doing a staycation right now with our family. They're house sitting and we are staying there with them, which is really fun. So we're just gonna have some adventures and I just wanted to bring you guys along. I'm so glad you're here. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And there's this gorgeous fountain one more time.
So we are in Fountain Hills and the cousins are right at the fountain, but we're at the water and we are at Fountain Hills. Yay! There's blankets on the floor. We are going to have a picnic. I'm excited because there's fireworks and they like shoot out the fireworks and it's amazing. So happy 4th of July. It's the 4th of July tonight and it's happy. Look at the fountain, guys. Is that amazing?
We're having a photo shoot with our yummy cookies that we made.
Are they yummy?
Do you guys like them?
Yeah. Look at Aunt D right here and say, so yummy!
So yummy!
Oh, yay! Look at this, Daddy.
Dad, can you help me grab them?
Oh. Do you guys remember making waves like this in the pool? Like we were just reminiscing because Jason is doing it right now. As a kid, your like mind is blown. Hi! Are you having fun in the pool today? Mm-hmm. What are you eating now? A rice cake. A chocolate rice cake. It's really hot here in Arizona. So we're outside and we have been outside in the pool twice today so far.
Those are some significant waves.
Those are some significant waves.
Some significant waves.
Bravery and
We're having Daddy in the pool and it's the best thing ever.
There's like a serious dust storm happening right now. Let me show you. It's like really windy, but it's like all brown. Okay guys, it's bedtime. Tomorrow is our last morning here at this house and I'm really bummed. I didn't record a lot tonight. We made an amazing dinner and then we did a photo shoot out front. The kids went swimming for the 3rd time today, guys. It was their 3rd time in the pool. So the kids swam. I made a dessert. I didn't record any of it afterwards. I was like, shoot, I should have recorded that. but I didn't. I made these no-bake strawberry cheesecake bites. They were so good. Oh my goodness. I took some pictures of them. I can add them in here, on here somewhere, to show you what they looked like, but I didn't record the process. But I can make a video about it if you guys are interested. Let me know in the comments below. I'm rambling and Cameron's sleeping. Sleepy boy. Earlier, we thought it was gonna rain. Definitely didn't. It was a big old dust storm, and then it just stopped. We were like, cool, 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 cool. All right, it's bedtime. We will see you in the morning. Good night.